Welcome to POSable. In this video, you'll learn how to set up POSable's loyalty system, configure rewards, create offers, and use loyalty data to encourage repeat business. POSable Loyalty is designed to be powerful without being complicated. It gives you full control while remaining easy for both staff and customers to use. Before starting, make sure your core business setup is complete, including products, pricing, and tax settings. Loyalty builds on top of your existing POSable configuration. Configuring loyalty settings. To begin, log in to the POSable Back Office and navigate to Loyalty Settings. Click Edit Settings to open the configuration window. Start by giving your loyalty scheme a clear, recognizable name. This is the name customers will see, so keep it simple and on brand. Next, set points per currency. This controls how many points a customer earns for each unit of currency spent. For example, if your currency is pounds and you enter 1 point per pound, a customer will earn 1 point for every pound spent. This setting forms the foundation of your loyalty system. Next, add additional loyalty rules. You can now configure optional but powerful loyalty rules. Registration bonus. Set how many points a customer receives when they first register. This encourages sign-ups and gives immediate value. Minimum spend for points. Define a minimum transaction value before points are earned. This prevents very small transactions from triggering rewards. Tier point multipliers. Enable tier-based multipliers to reward your most loyal customers. Higher tiers earn points faster, encouraging repeat visits, creating natural incentives without adding staff workload. Points expiry rules. Points expiry is optional. If you want points to never expire, leave the expiry field blank. If you prefer points to expire, enter the number of days, for example 365 days for 1 year. This can encourage customers to return sooner rather than saving points indefinitely. Points to currency value. This determines how much each point is worth when redeemed. For example, a value of 0.01 means each point is worth 10 pence or cents, depending on your currency. This setting controls the real-world cost of your loyalty scheme, so choose a value that rewards customers while protecting margins. Once all values are set, enable any notification options. Click Save and you have configured your base loyalty settings. You can revise these settings at any time. On this page, you will also see your unique loyalty registration URL and QR code. We recommend using the QR code where possible, as it links to your unique business loyalty site. Customers scan this QR code to register instantly on their own device. You can download the QR code and display it at the counter, on menus, or on printed signage. Self-registration keeps queues moving and removes staff admin. Now let's have a look at the Loyalty Dashboard overview. The Loyalty Dashboard gives you a high-level view of performance, including number of registered customers, total points issued, savings redeemed, revenue influenced by loyalty. Quick actions allow you to move directly to customers, offers, or insights, managing loyalty customers. Open the Customers page to see everyone enrolled in your loyalty program. From here you can view customer activity, adjust points up or down, block customers if necessary. While manual customer creation is possible, self-registration via QR code is recommended for accuracy and ease. Creating and managing offers. Open the Offers page to create and manage loyalty incentives. Click Create Offer to begin. Choose from multiple offer types depending on your goals. Discount percentage. Apply a percentage discount to the full bill or specific products. Enter the number only. For example, enter 20 for a 20% discount. Fixed amount. Apply a fixed monetary discount, such as 50 pence or £1. Buy X, get Y. Set up multi-item incentives, where customers buy a quantity and receive another item free or discounted. Free item. Offer a specific product free once conditions are met. Points multiplier. Offer double or triple points to boost visits during quieter periods. Bonus points. Award a fixed number of points on redemption. Cash back. Offer a monetary reward at checkout. This should be used carefully to ensure you do not incur losses. Offer controls. Every offer includes controls to protect your business. Minimum points required, maximum redemptions. How many times can the offer be redeemed? Start and end dates. Terms and conditions. Specify anything you need to tell your customer here. This is often useful to avoid any confusion that could occur at the till, leading to dissatisfaction with the customer. Once complete, tick the confirmation box and click Save. Existing offers can be edited at any time. Customizing the loyalty PWA. Your QR code directs customers to your own business loyalty web app. This can be customized with your logo and colors so that it is more easily recognized by your customers on their device. To customize it, open PWA settings. Upload a 192 by 192 icon for Android, a 512 by 512 icon for Apple devices. Set colors and branding to match your business. Now, when a customer scans your QR code, the icon on their device is your own logo. Notifications and messaging. POSable integrates with Google Firebase messaging at no extra cost. From the notifications page, you can view past messages, send new notifications to opted-in customers. Customers control their own notification permissions. Use notifications to promote offers, remind customers of points, or announce updates. Loyalty insights and reporting. Open spending insights to see how loyalty is performing. View customer behavior, points usage, and engagement trends. You can export this data as CSV or JSON, or print reports for offline review. These insights help you refine offers and understand what keeps customers coming back. By setting up loyalty thoughtfully, you turn everyday transactions into long-term relationships. POSable Loyalty is designed to reward customers without adding complexity for you or your staff. That's all for the POSable Loyalty video. Thanks for watching.